What's going on? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Arky back with another video worldwide. Here we are with the boy Daniel and his Subaru. I know the video that I made last time about his Subaru was not too much detail, didn't get too many sound clips, so I just wanted to do another enhanced video of his car. I'm going to be making a video of Daniel's car. You guys can hear it. Hasn't really modified it since the last video, so nothing really new there. I don't know shit about Subarus, so I'm gonna let Daniel explain the car. We're gonna go down what he's done to it. That'll be a quick 30 seconds. Go over what he's done to the car, the mods, what it sounds like, and if you wanted a Subaru, what to expect and what to not expect from a Subaru. All right, so first step of having a Subaru is to have the whole garage in your back.
You never know when you need it.
Never know when you need it. Make sure to have one of these.
Sealers for everything. Head
gasket sealer, just in case. And the vape is somewhere around here. I don't know where it's at, but. All right, so there's a lot of cars passing by right now, so it's not gonna do it justice. But as soon as it revs up, the camera's definitely gonna pick it up. So, we do the same thing as John's. We're gonna rev to 3. Damn. Not yet. Oh my god. 3, and I guess you can't go.
Launch control or just a rev?
Can't go after that. A rev, not launch control. We'll do launch control later. What do you have done to your exhaust so far, so the people at home can know?
Cat a downpipe from Grim Speed.
Okay.
Then muffler delete from ETS, axle backs, and then got my resonator cut off.
Okay.
So basically straight pipe after the cat.
Okay, so pretty much straight pipe after the high flow cat. He does have a Cobb tune on it right now, so we're just gonna give it some revs, and then you guys are gonna see how you like it. Alright, so exterior wise, Daniel has a carbon fiber hood. He has BC coilovers. And
look at that, no knock.
Got these fog lights. I guess that's a Subaru thing. And then the carbon fiber hood, which I already showed you guys. But pretty much stock on the outside, just lowered with a couple of mods. Now we're gonna dive into the engine bay. All right, so what do you have done to the engine so far?
We have a Cobb SF intake with a box on there. We have a Turbo Smart. I guess you can still call it a blow-off valve, but it's not as a blow-off valve. It kind of gives a blow-off valve noise, but it's still 100% recirculating. And then if you look through there, they have a Grim Speed heat shield, like with a downpipe in the back. Should be black on the inside, it's gold. Pretty much it.
Can't really see, but there's a downpipe down there. He has the intake from Cobb, the Turbo Smart. That's pretty much it, I would say, right?
Yeah.
So now we're gonna go for some ride-alongs. We're gonna see how she sounds, see how it rips. We're gonna do some drive-bys too, and then Subaru has a very distinct sound because of its boxer motor engine. It's a really nice rumble and it's really cool. Daniel's is straight pipe though, so it is pretty loud and it has some gnarly pops. So we're gonna go ahead, get some drive-bys, and then we're gonna get in the car and then do some rolling. As you can tell, that nice little pop there. On a scale of loudness, with 1 being like a stock car and 10 being my Z, I would say Daniel's car, when at a certain limit, is pretty high, like a 7 or 8. All right, so I'm gonna get one of him just straight ripping it through here. That boxer sound though, that shit sounded nice. Alright, so there you guys got some flybys. We're gonna go hop in his car. We're gonna go test out the drone, see what it sounds like. and just give you guys an honest review of the car. Obviously there's not too much to go into depth because the car is relatively stock, but it still rips, and it's a really fun car. So alright, so we got windows down the bridge. We're about to see what it sounds like. You gonna rip it?
Kind of, probably.
Okay, just start right here. Tell them about your short shifter.
Oh, Carboy. I don't know which one it is. I think it's the V2. I think, unless I'm wrong, and there's only just one.
Yeah, he also has a short shifter, which makes it a little easier to be faster in between shifts. So that's pretty cool. Fuck it, let's keep on going. God damn, it's hot as fuck.
I know. Fucking Florida. But yet this morning was fucking nice and cold.
I'll peep the T's though.
T?
They look like the T, whatever. They look like shit because I'm sweating my ass off right now, but they look pretty cool.
Niggas wearing pants. I don't know how you wearing pants, bro. You like John.
They got holes.
Always wearing a hoodie and a jacket.
They got holes. Oh, there, goddamn.
She probably figured out where to go. She's probably old.
It's kind of bad though.
Why you like that?
She's probably seen. And we're back with another one. With another Sideways Saturdays. Today isn't actually Saturday, but I don't have Saturday off. And obviously you see John's not here. So I got Daniel as a replacement for Sideways Saturdays. So we're going to not drift the all-wheel drive Subaru. But we're going to hit the Z, try to do some donuts, try to get better. The last video, I wasn't really clutch kicking it as good as I could have been. So now that I don't really have a time crush and I feel a little bit better because that day I did have a headache. We're going to try to clutch kick and then we're going to hit that shit. And then maybe I'll let Daniel try to clutch kick. If he breaks my car, he fixes it. If you break it, you buy it. Alright guys, we came prepared this time. Brought a shovel to dig out all this freaking grass. And a broom to take off all the rocks out of the way. You serve our community. Make the streets better. So today, in terms of getting better at making YouTube videos, I stole Daniel's mom's GoPro. Thank you, Mommy, if you're watching this video.
Wait a minute.
So we're going to try to get some GoPro clips. And the main point of me getting the GoPro clips is to see what I'm doing, how I could do it better, and what I'm doing exactly wrong. If that makes sense. So,
Can you feel like that?
Yeah, you can see like that.
Okay.
You're good. Damn. I keep on losing it though. I can only do like a full circle. That's what I'm saying. I need to learn how to not lose that circle and keep on going. That's my issue. Cause I can hit it. The clutch kick, that shit was hard. The last one I did, I felt that shit went.
I know. I was like, damn, this is a good first run.
Yeah.
I can connect it now if you give me it to me real quick.
That's my issue. I always get the first hit, the little circle, but then I can't go back into doing more circles repetitively That's what my issue is. I'm trying to figure out how to get better, because every time I let go of throttle, it doesn't, and I don't know if I should clutch kick again. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to do it that way, so I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with it. And don't get me wrong, it could be the surface too, but I don't want to use the surface as an excuse, because I just want to do donut, 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 kind of like that scene in Fast and Furious where Han goes around the females. That would be clean, but I can't. I don't know how to. And if that situation ever occurred, you know what I'm saying, trying to drift around the females, I'm a fumble. I think I got it. Alright, come on guys, let's fucking hit this shit. I think I'm gonna let it go and see what happens.
That's
that was
way
still
better.
only one,
Fucking
but it's
progress is
getting
going
there.
up.
I feel the angle way better.
Next thing you know, clutch kickers, we're coming. Coming for you, clutch kickers.
Alright, come on.
Do it hard.
I'm gonna do it again. I want to do 2 circles in a row. That's my goal.
Alright.
That one didn't work.
Fuck that one.
No good.
That shit was clean!
Finally, fucker.
Good shit, that shit was hard.
I don't know how that shit looked on camera, but fuck, that shit felt
That shit
good.
was hard.
I was like, fuck, I'm gonna hit Daniel.
I got close on purpose. I was like, I got this. I know he was gonna hit me.
Fuck.
And then you started going the other way. I'm like, oh shit. I'm like, I might get hit.
Let's go. Alright, I think I know what I'm doing wrong. I'm gonna try one more time before this shit starts to heat up. Look at that. Got a hot box in this shit.
I can download the footage real quick on my phone after that, and then we could just we can go off of that.
Okay.
That shit was hard though.
I felt good.
A lot of smoke too.
Yeah, it felt good as fuck.
I got hit with the rock while I was recording. I'm like, shit. You'll probably see it in the video. Don't hit me.
I got you.
Alright, let's see if you don't hit me.
No pressure. Alright, after bump, clutch.
Alright.
And clutch.
It's alright. Last time was better.
Cool.
Practice makes perfect though, so I mean he is improving. He's improving.
I think I'm getting better. I think I'm getting better. I'm feeling it. I want to do like 2 more before the 350 gets hot.
See if you can do one. Here we go.
Fuck! That dirt doesn't fucking help.
You're overthinking it now, Lil.
Fuck. I don't know. Alright, fuck it. Go.
didn't see that one coming. Fuck. Fucking drop dirt all over my face. Tell me how the one you did over here, I didn't see it coming, and I just get a fucking cloud of smoke. I'm like, a fucking dirt. I'm like, dude.
Yeah, I think that the tires are too grippy right now. Them little pebbles are fucking up my.
Those shits are hard. That one was a really good one though. When you kept going and going,
Yeah,
I was like,
the one
damn, that shit.
I'm trying to do it. Let's go. So we got at least one good fucking donut in. I don't know why, but now I feel like the car is just gripped up. It's really hot outside, so old girl's putting in work right now. Probably do like 1 or 2 more max.
Look, I think. Hey, look, it's playing.
Another episode of Sideways Saturdays. Was a success. I definitely did better than last time. We got some GoPro footage so I can analyze, see what I'm doing wrong. Daniel pointed out we might drop some PSI on the tires. That might be it, because at the end it started gripping a lot.
You're heating up your tires, so the PSI is going up.
Yeah.
You gotta drop it to compensate it.
Yeah, so, but it was pretty fun. It was cool. It is really fucking hot outside, so the car did good. It hasn't heated up, so we're gonna keep it that way.
I'm trying to go to clutch kickers.
Yeah, I'm trying to go to clutch kickers, you know, get good. I need to get good. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe. This is Worldwide. I'm Arky. That's Daniel. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure if you like the Subaru, comment down below. I love Subarus.
We all love Subarus. Low key in everyone's heart, we all love Subarus.
What makes a Subaru a Subaru? I'm Worldwide. Well, we're Worldwide. I'm Arky. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to drive until broken and keep fucking shit up. Peace.
Jim Montana, man. Jim Montana. Jim Montana, man. Oh my God, it's Jim Montana, man. I can't love no bitch cause I want money, yeah, I run it out. Sitting too damn much, I'm looking down, I got a stupid gut. Chillin' with the gang up in LA, oh yeah, we stupid up. How you fall in love, man, she don't want you, you a stupid fuck. I can't love no bitch, man, they be plotting and they scheming. Talking down on gang, I'm finna pull up with my demons. Just came back from Saxon, now I blow it back in demons. Diamonds on me super cold, I'm feeling so anemic. I can't love no